Look at the view, Julie. Look at the view. It's you. Ayan na. So guys, as you can see, this is such an amazing view. Guys, hindi yan green screen na. Totoong view yan sa likod niya. And before anything else, thank you so much for inviting me to your new place. Guys, ako nga pala si Quinito sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin. And this is Juju or Julie. Say hi to them.
Hi, cuties. It's good to see you, cuties, again. You can call me Julie or Juju. Just Ju, it's better.
Ju, yeah. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, magkasama kami sa Shopee live stream ko the past couple of weeks. She's been helping me out, and neighbor ko siya actually sa place ko. But now she moved into a new place, and so sabi niya sa akin, i-visit ko naman daw siya. So now, we're gonna do a, thank you. Now, we're going to do a little quick house tour of her place. And after that, we're gonna do some question and answer. I think we're gonna do 11 questions for each other. You're gonna ask me 11 questions, and tatanungin ko rin siya ng 11 questions. So, if you guys like to see more of that, just keep on watching. Before anything else, I'd like to show you the view at the back.
Yeah. Love the view.
Ganda ng view, guys. Ang ganda ng view. Siya yung view. Okay. Guys, hindi naman niya nagigets yun kasi Tagalog yun. Tumatawa siya, hindi niya alam yung sabihin. This is the dining area at the back.
Yeah. Let's go to the kitchen. It's one of my favorite place actually. I spend most of time here. Let's show them my bedroom.
Yes.
Oh, look at the view.
Yeah.
Let's see my bedroom.
You want to show them your bathroom or not anymore?
The last part. Cuties, welcome to Juju's CR. The bathroom.
Guys, tingnan niyo, naliligo kayo dito, tapos
Let's see this view.
imagine if you're taking a bath here and you can see the view of the city at the back. Yeah.
Have a bath.
Can you sit down there? Okay, pose for a cover photo. Pose. For example, I'm taking a picture of you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Wow, I'm so jealous. Okay, so
Move to here.
I should move already. I'm gonna move it. Joke lang.
Let's go to Juju's kitchen.
There you go.
See, I have so many storage.
Mm-hmm.
I have so many nice cookware sets.
Wait, can we show?
So many.
Can we show the ones that I gave you?
Yeah, of course.
Guys, binigyan ko siya last month ng copper pan, also from Shopee.
This is the copper pan.
Later on, we're gonna get into details of the 11 items that we have for each other. So, sige, why don't you just show that later when we're doing the question and answer? Question and answer.
Let's have a seat.
Okay,
Just
sige.
enjoying the
Alright.
weather.
So, tingnan natin to. Ayusin muna natin, guys. We're gonna fix this right now. Hi, what's up, cuties? Welcome back to my vlog. In today's episode, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, right after the home tour na ginawa niya sa atin, kasi dati ko siyang neighbor, but she just recently moved into a new place here. I was given the opportunity today to see such a nice place. Right now, we're finally settled, and we're about to do a Q&A. So, she's gonna be asking me 11 questions, and I'm gonna be asking her 11 questions. Before we start, I'm sure that some of you guys have already seen us from our Shopee live stream last month. We've been doing a lot of live streams together, and marami na nakakakilala sa kanya doon. And they even made a hashtag QJU kasi we would be live streaming twice a week before. But now, lumipat na siya ng panibagong place. So this is the first time that we're doing this together. And we're opening our journey together as friends, is getting to know each other. So there are 11 questions each, guys. And let's get it started. You want, syempre, ladies first?
Alright.
Go ahead.
So the first question would be, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Yeah.
And most of the cuties that know me from Shopee livestream, they know that I love the color green because of Lasal, my school, my university's color. And also, I am trying to be a vegan sometimes, so green talaga.
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question then. But before anything else, what item from Shopee would you associate your question with? Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-isip ka ng 11 questions and also think about 11 items that you know from Shopee na nabili mo the past year. So this whole year, we've been shopping a lot on Shopee.
Exactly.
Because of the pandemic, we couldn't go out. And so, since 11.11 is coming up, the super Christmas shopping sale on Shopee with 11.11 super flash hot deals are coming up to you guys. And a lot of really good, insane deals are coming on Shopee. What item was that?
My first item?
Yeah.
Cute rabbit ears burden. Cute rabbit's ears.
Turban, you mean?
Turban.
Wait, why?
Because I like something. Like I see that you do live stream with that.
Oh,
So
yeah!
cute. Yeah.
Yeah, guys! Napanood daw niya ako nung nag-livestream ako nung may rabbit ears ako. So,
That's the one
oh my god, that's so cute.
for you, one for me.
Thank you. One each.
Yeah, one
So you bought this because you saw me that I have
I
it.
saw that on your last live stream.
Okay, sige. Parang na kami dito, guys. Parang kami nitong... Ang cute naman ito.
Look how cute is it? Oh my god. Cute, huh?
Wait.
3 days later.
Anong pinagagagawa natin dito?
Hey, yours looks like a dog.
A dog.
Yes, a dog.
You look like a real bunny. Do this. With your teeth. My first question for you is, same, what is your favorite sorry, kinakabahan ako guys. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color. Actually, also color green.
Kaya to. Why green? Why green?
Because it represents the life. Yeah, right. Newborns,
Oh wow. Plants.
plants, water.
Really? Water green?
Yeah.
Oh wait, for me, my first item for you is, remember when I gave you this?
Of course.
This is a copper pan and magaan lang siya guys. So, bakit ito yung ibibigay ko sa... Why is this the item that I remember? Tagalogin, can I say it in Tagalog first so that they'll understand it? Bakit ito yung naisip ko sa number 1 question? Kasi ito yung unang binigay ko sa kanyang Shopee item, copper pan. So, this is... Now you can get it. That's why I brought it. I brought it because...
You're so nice.
No, it's okay. Because... Yan, damihan niyo po ng message. Sa mga naka-redeem na po ng prices, thank you. Salamat din po, Miss Betty Bull. Ito, magluluto lang ako ngayon.
My number 2 question for you. Oh, how many ex-girlfriends?
Oh my God. Ang bilis naman nun, grabe. I've had 7 ex-girlfriends.
Oh,
It really hurts ang magmahal ng
oh really?
I've had 4 really serious girlfriends before, and then 3 of them short-term din siya. But wait, your Shopee item.
I will give to you. The second one I wanted to show you is about my Korean eye contact lens.
So, why is it the Korean contact lens? Why is that the second item that you...
Because I wear it nearly every day, but it's like a girl's thing you wouldn't know. Right?
So you asked me about my ex-girlfriends, so you're connecting it with contact lenses? What? I'm gonna be putting the link for that, for the contact lenses as well, on the description box below. How many ex-boyfriends? Cheating? Come on, say it! So that, you know, we have to be fair, because you asked me that eh.
Actually, I have 5 boyfriends.
5, so 10!
Just 5 lang, 5 na.
Oh my god, I was like, what? 10? But the item that I would like to associate that question, I'm wearing these earrings right now, super nice K-pop inspired. This is the one that I associated to my question about the how many ex-boyfriends, because yun na nga, guys really look good when they wear something like edgy, like an accessory like this earring. So
Right.
I can kind of connect it to your ex-boyfriend. We're so weird. Third question.
The third question is, do you believe in ghosts?
I do believe in ghosts. Yes.
Why is that?
Because I've seen ghosts already,
Yeah.
and I've been ghosted by people also. People. Joke lang. No. You know what that means when you ghost someone? When you don't text them anymore? When you don't respond to them? That's very wrong, guys. Don't do that. So because of that, what is the item that you can...
The item I have is for the ghost, yeah.
What's that?
Korean facial mask.
Why?
Because, you know, the ghost has the white.
Nice.
Here is the Korean facial mask.
Guys, binibigyan niya ako ng libre pero I think bibenta niya na rin yan sa Shopee soon. So watch out for the link for that. This is also made in Korea.
Korean, yeah.
And it's really nice. I like it. Okay, my question for you is...
What's your question?
wait, I can't find it. Ito.
It's both sacred, like,
Do
for
you-
each other.
Okay, this is my question. Do you believe in magic?
Of course. Why not? Because every day it's like a magic, diba?
Well...
To be in this magic world, it's magic.
Alright, because of that, a magic pillow. Charan!
Ta-da!
So... No, maybe you should be the one cutting it.
Okay.
Oh, see, open it yourself because it's magic.
1, 2. Oh, so magic.
Sige,
Yeah.
your next question.
How many countries have you been to?
6. I've been to 6 countries already. Just 6 around Southeast Asia. Yeah. Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Hong Kong. Is it just 5? I think, yeah.
Kaisavela mini refrigerator.
Mini
Mini refrigerator.
Why that? Mini refrigerator. And guys, to be honest, pinakita ko lang to sa kanya na meron ako nito. I showed you this during my live stream and she
Yeah,
bought one for
I
herself
bought.
also.
Yeah.
And ayun.
Mask,
Oh, man.
sleeping masks,
Nice.
the 3 masks, more masks.
Destination,
That's my favorite.
beach in a country that you've been in. So, tell me the beach that you've been to and that country. Because I think you like
Okay,
the
I
word
think
beach.
I have to, yeah. El Nido.
El Nido.
El Nido.
So, Philippines.
Nature place. The water, the people, the food, everything is so nice. Water so clear, so clean.
And the item naman that I'm associating or tingin ko pwedeng makaka-relate sa tanong na yan because it's about the beach. It's a bucket hat. This one. I also got this from Shopee. And yan, I'll show it.
From the sun.
Yes!
It looks so...
I got it from
K-pop.
Shopee also. Shopee
Oh,
Mall.
oh. My God, so nice.
Oops, huwag kang aalis. May kasunod pa yan. Coming up next.
Water heater.
Water.
If you get stuck in an island, what 3 things would you bring?
You are not a thing, so I can't bring you.